Guys, this is a YouTube channel Cook and Enjoy Recipes. Today guys, you will get to know about how to prepare okra that is served in many restaurants, and this is called bindi in Indian language, and that is the most ever served dish in the North India, and it is almost served in each and every restaurants of the world. So guys, for preparing it, it is not every man's job, because for preparing this you need certain tricks and tips, so that I want to give you. For preparing bindi, first of all you have to wash it thoroughly, because nowadays, because of COVID-19, you can't take the risk of disinfecting the medicines. You have to disinfect them and then wash them thoroughly, and then do not forget to dry them thoroughly. So after drying the okra, then add lemon juice to it like this, so that it can be mixed to each and every piece of the okra like this. We have taken the pan on the gas stove. After adding oil to the pan, we have added Shahi Zeera to it. After adding Shahi Zeera, we are just going to add freshly cut onion. I have cut 2 onions. If you have a taste of using less onion, you can use 1 or half onion. We have to fry the onions till golden brown. Mix the okra so that they can mix themselves in enough lemon thoroughly. So they have turned light golden brown, and we have added 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of salt. As we have added salt according to taste, or approximately we have taken 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Along with that, we have added turmeric powder, yellow, and to the light golden brown onions, we are going to add 3 tomatoes, tomato puree, and 1 chili. And we will saute till all the ingredients are mixed thoroughly, and some more minutes, more than that. So you can see the oil oozes out of the side of the container. Now this is the appropriate time to put bindi into it. So now we are putting bindi into the tadka. So see guys how it goes like. Now it will take 15 to 20 minutes of 20 minutes of yours to get themselves cooked with a lid on it. So guys, just wait and watch. I will show you the final stage of the bindi when it is cooked properly like this. Cook it at the simmer so that the bindi would be cooked properly and in no time, because with the simmer mode, the steam is properly imbibed into each and every part of the bindi and tadka as well, so that you can get a good dish out of that. So guys, put the lid on it and wait for next 15 to 20 minutes to get itself cooked. Thank you. Basically your masala bindi is ready. You can relish it with flatbread and any type of mint chutney. Thank you. Like and subscribe.